Alright friends, in this session we will learn about PopItem method in Python dictionaries. So, the PopItem method is used to remove and return the last inserted key-value pair from a Python dictionary. So it means it removes the last inserted item and it returns the removed item as a tuple, key value. Okay, let's do it. What's my dictionary name? Capitals, and then I use PopItem. With using this, I deleted last inserted element. So if I print my capitals dictionary, I run it, right click and run it, you see right now I have two elements: Germany, Berlin, and Canada, Ottawa. England, London key value pair is removed because PopItem remove this. It returns removed item, this PopItem method. If you want to see which item is removed, you can assign to a variable and print it. Okay, see you in the next lesson.